Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer and Niacinamide. First, understand that vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is excellent for deep hydration and soothing your skin. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps improve skin tone, reduce pore appearance, and strengthen the skin barrier. When used together, these two ingredients offer powerful benefits for a healthier, more radiant complexion. For optimal results, the order of application is crucial. Begin by applying your niacinamide serum to freshly cleansed and dry skin. Use about 2 to 3 drops, gently patting it in. Give the serum a moment, perhaps 30 to 60 seconds, to fully absorb. Then, follow up with your vitamin B5 moisturizer. This layering technique ensures each ingredient can perform its best. Consistency is key when incorporating these products into your routine. You can use both the niacinamide serum and the vitamin B5 moisturizer twice daily, in the morning and evening. Start with a pea-sized amount of each product. Remember, a little goes a long way. And for your morning routine, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. By consistently using Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer and Niacinamide, you can expect significant improvements. Your skin will feel more hydrated, redness may decrease, and texture will become smoother. Niacinamide also helps reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. Always listen to your skin. If you experience any irritation, reduce frequency or consult a dermatologist. A patch test is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.